Alright guys, so today's recipe, grape nut ice cream. So I got the whipping cream, which I'm going to turn into literally like what's on the box. I'm going to cream that, add some grape nuts, some sweet milk, some vanilla, some sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, probably add a tip of salt to it. So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to get our grape nut and we're going to use our half and half, and we're just going to pour that. And while we're doing this, we're softening the grape nut, so when we're ready to add it to our ice cream, it's not that crunchy. I'm just gonna let that sit aside, let that soak aside for a while. All right, then we're gonna get our bowl. Sticky water a little bit. We're gonna get our bowl. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream. All right, and I'm making one batch. So we're gonna go ahead and cream that. All right, time to cream that. All right, guys, you see that? All right, we got our cream. We're gonna go ahead and add a pinch of cinnamon, and add some vanilla. Just gonna help with the color and the flavor. We're gonna add our sugar. We're adding a tip of salt to this one, just a pinch. Now add our condensed milk. Then we're going to go ahead and cream all of that together. Go ahead and add our half and half and our grape nuts. All right. Alright guys, that wasn't so hard after all, now was it? Really simple. Let me just see. Oh yeah, now we got a creamy texture. We got grape nuts evenly distributed all over it. We're going to go ahead and put this in a container. Put this in the container, let it freeze. 4 hours, we'll be ready. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and transfer our cream into the bowl. That's in the freezer in. I'm doing 2. I'm doing a smaller one. That one's gonna be for Kai Kai. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so let's just farm these up really good. We're going to set these in the freezer. In 4 hours time, I'll be back. All right guys, so actually let this one sat overnight. So this is what we got for a grape nut ice cream. Now let's go ahead and scoop. Oh yeah. Perfect. Grape nut ice cream, guys.